In today's digital age, we rely on iPhones to store memories and important data, but accidents happen, files get deleted or lost. FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery is a reliable tool to quickly restore your lost data and get back on track. Part 1. What is Aiseesoft FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery? Main features: further reduced. Recover data, restore deleted messages, photos, videos, and more. WhatsApp recovery: get back lost chats and media. Fix, repair iOS issues. Backup, save, and restore files. Part 2. How to use Aiseesoft FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery. Download and install FoneLab on your computer. Connect your iPhone via USB and unlock it. Select data types and click Start Scan. After scanning, preview and select files. Click Recover to save them to your computer. Part 3. Best alternative to Aiseesoft FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery. FoneLab is reliable, but Mobican Doctor for iOS offers faster, more affordable recovery. It lets you scan specific data types and supports most iOS devices and systems. Step 2. Once your device is connected, you'll see an option to choose which types of data you want to recover. After selecting, click Start Scan to begin the process. Step 3. After scanning, you can view all the files, including deleted ones, on the interface. Choose the data you want to recover, then click Recover to Computer to save it on your computer.